Why pre, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, the Abby-licious, and today it's another inspo look. Yeah, so I'm using the 2511 color artistry palette by Morphe. So this palette might look familiar for all our makeup gurus or just people in general who love to buy makeup. So this palette is kind of like a Pride palette. It's been out for a while, so I've had this palette. It's just that, you know, when you just have all these palettes but you only use just one. So that was me. I use like the little mini ones, like this. I would use this. You see, like, this is all like pressed in and shit, but yeah, so I decided to create looks using all my palettes that I have, that I own. So I'm down to this one now. This is a pretty good palette, super pigmented. It has all the colors of the rainbow, as you guys can see. So today I use both this palette and the jaclynhill volume 2. So real quick, I'm just gonna tell you guys, come a little closer. I'm gonna tell you guys everything that I used on my eyelids, the name of the shades and stuff like that. So from the jaclynhill 2 palette, I used G Money. See if you guys can see that. I used G Money. I used a mixture of G Money, Homeboy, and Comfort Zone. The 3 brown to get the brown shade up here. I don't know why. I was just going with the flow. I just needed a brown, and that's it's the color I end up with, using 3 different browns from the jaclynhill palette. And that's all I needed this palette for, was the brown, because this palette didn't come with a brown shade. So yeah, after that, let's see what we working with. So for the white, I use Milk from the Pride palette, and I use Liberation. What is my, okay, I use Liberation, which is this shimmer topper, to just go over it so it doesn't look like white, like extra white. I use Peace. I use this Peace and Rise Up. So I use these 2 blue to create this blue right here, because this one was too dark and this was too bright, but mix them together, like I got the right shade of blue that I wanted. And for this red right here, I use Life, which is this beautiful dark red shade. And yeah, I put on some liquid liner and some lashes, and there is my look. I will insert the photo of my inspo where I got this look from. Again, I am using the girl on Instagram, Queen So Live. That's her name. Check out her page if you can. I don't know her, but I came across her page and I just like all her looks that she's done. So I just snatched 2 of her looks and decided to recreate it. So this is what I came out with. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. And before I forget, please like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into this video.
time in a red light. For some reasons I can't find. It was a long time till I felt right. I was hoping and praying and wanting to feel again. It's a long time till I felt Spent a long time in a red light, long time in a red light, hoping and praying and wanting to feel again. Wanting to feel again. He needs some milk.
There you guys have it. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. If you do like this video or want to see more videos like this, please give my video a thumbs up. Please comment, subscribe, share, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.